Alright, welcome back to my channel, and we are still working on the sketching of isometric views given the orthographic views, and I'm going to work on this question now. And these are orthographic views, and these views are given in third angle projection. As you can see here, this is the plan, this is the front elevation, and this is the end elevation. Looking at what we have here, this work is a little bit technical, and if you look at the questions, this is given on paper 3 of WAEC question, and the marks that it carries is 20 marks. Okay, so looking at this, as we are told here that the lowest point is point X here. Lowest point is point X here, and then we have it here, and in the end elevation we also have X here. So it means that the lowest point is on this vertical line, and what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to start with the sketching. I'm going to start like this, so you just need to pay attention to what I'm going to do. So we have this shape, this triangle, we have it like this, and the lowest point is starting at this point. Just look at the way I'm going to do it, just need to pay attention. Okay, the first thing that we need to do as usual is that we sketch a horizontal line like this. So on this horizontal line, so I'm going to make a vertical line here, and that is vertical line that will give us the lowest point. So this is the vertical line, so this is point X now, as we are told in the question. Then on this line I'll be making a line like this. I'm making this line like this, as you can see here. Then I will take this backward to this point here, so I can rub this off. I want to rub this off, I don't want it to be there again, so I'm rubbing it off like this. Okay, all right, so what I need, I've gotten it. So that is the lowest point X, I've gotten it, I don't need this one. So now from this point I'm going to take a line in this direction like this. I'm going to take a line in this direction. I will also take a line in this direction like this. Okay, so then I'm going to join this together. So don't forget that this type of line is known as non-isometric line in technical drawing. So non-isometric line. So with this thing that I produced, this is a web. So this is a web. Okay, so this web that I produced now, so the shape that I produced here is this shape that we have here, this shape that we have here, and the lowest point, as we have, that is at the point on the vertical line, and that is what we have here. This is point X here, this point is point X, as you can see it there. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that we also have this shape. It came out like this, and we see it as part of what we have here in the end elevation, and it is on this line. So on this line on the end elevation, so I will need to produce this line to this side a bit like this. Okay, then on this point I'm to produce a vertical line. So vertical line will go like this. Okay, so to go like this, and then I will need to produce another vertical line here. So this vertical line, this thing that we have here, is on the front elevation. This is the shape. This rectangle here is what we are trying to produce here. So, and from here I will need to take this line, take it to this side like this. Now I will take this to this side. So just look at what I'm going to do. Okay, all right, so I'm going to take this point to this side. So this shape that I want to produce up here is the shape that we have in the plan. So this rectangle that we have here is this rectangle here, and this shape that we have here is what I'm going to produce here. So okay, so this line now, I will need to take this to this side. Just look at how I'm doing it. So the line is not okay, so I need to rub it off. So I will take this. So don't forget that everything that you are doing on freehand sketching, you should do it with faint lines, so that if there is any mistake, you can easily rub off. So from here I will take this to this side, and don't forget that we are drawing proportional to the given dimensions. You don't have to measure it, so you can use you are expected to use your eyes to take the measurement. So I will need to take this to this side. It wasn't okay before, so I'll take it to this side. Okay, so I believe you can see what I'm trying to bring out here. So this line, I need to rub it off again so that I can make this line parallel to this line. So here now I think they are parallel, as you can see there. So I'll bring this down like this. Okay, so this also goes like this. So and I will also take this to this side. Okay, so I still need to rub out some things, but let me see what I'm going to get here now. Okay, so I need to take this to this side. Okay, so practice will make you to be good at this. Okay, so practicing will make you to be good at this. Practice, so you get this done without spending so much time on this. So this line is not okay, and even this line is not okay, and I will need to work on this a little bit. So you need your cleaner or your razor, as I've said. So do okay. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have the shape in place. So let me make it a little bit darker. So look at this now. So this is the shape, but we are not done. So there is a circle. There is a circle here. So and the front elevation, in the front elevation, what we have is this rectangle, which is this. So this rectangle is this rectangle here, and then so we have what we have this surface with this hole. So we have it. Even this is too long. I will reduce it. So I'll reduce it. Just cut part of it off. So I will need to rub this off. So if I don't remove it, so it doesn't conform to the given dimensions. So I need to make sure it conforms to the given dimensions. So bring this down like this, and this goes in this direction. Okay, alright, so looking at what I've done here, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put the circle. So I need to put the circle. So for you to draw the circle, so you locate the center. Very, very important. Okay, so you need to locate the center as I've done it here. Then isometric circle is always in the form of an ellipse, so make sure you don't draw it like a normal circle. Okay, so based on the thickness of what we are given, and okay, this thickness is not as we are given in the question. So as you can see the thickness here, this is wider than this, so I need to reduce this. So I've told you that freehand sketching is not something that it's not like that of the instrument drawing. Okay, I need to reduce it. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So I'll rub this off a bit. Okay, so with this now, so I will draw this, so that will show that this is a hole here. So as you can see here, so this is the freehand sketching. Alright, so this is the objects as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice, and when you practice, you definitely master it. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. God bless you. Keep on practicing.